Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Your phone must support Miracast, AirPlay, or Chromecast, otherwise use an HDMI adapter. Plug the projector or wireless dongle into power and the wall or TV input. Once done, place it 6 to 12 feet from the wall. Make sure the wall is flat and light-colored, because contrast matters. You should enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the phone now. This speeds discovery and keeps the connection stable during the next steps. Once the device is powered, open your phone's casting or screen mirroring menu and pick the projector or dongle. You may need to accept a pairing prompt. If you chose a wired connection, connect the HDMI adapter to the phone, then to the projector, and select the matching input on the projector. This is often HDMI 1. Now adjust focus and keystone, move the projector to correct angle, change zoom until the image is rectangular, and set brightness so text. You finish by tuning audio and performance. Choose where sound plays, lower phone resolution if playback stutters, and enable Do Not Disturb to avoid notifications. Make sure cables are snug and the projector's vents aren't blocked. Once satisfied, lock the phone orientation if you want steady landscape. If you see lag, dropouts, or no image, try moving the devices closer, switch from wireless to wired, or reboot the phone and projector. This simple step often resolves pairing and network conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.